In this video, I'll show you how to create an email list, email sequence, and connect it to a Builderall landing page. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So this is my landing page. I've created it already, but I need to create an email list, an email sequence, and connect it. So let's get into it. Click on mailing box. So create a new subscriber list. So this is the name and the display name. Next, for opt-in options, in this tutorial, I will not go for double opt-in. I'll go for single opt-in and single opt-out. So when you click next, read all of this. It's just trying to protect their servers. What they want you to do is enter the URL with the lead registration capture form. Go to your landing page and copy the URL and just drop it here. So go there. So this is it. Click here. Go to website. So I'll click here, highlight everything, right click, copy, and go impact, right click, and paste. Now you need to give a reason. Please justify the need for single opt-in in your list. So I would say most of the time I just write this. I need a single opt-in due to the competitive market. Actually, I've used this already, so maybe I might have to change it a bit. I'll say of this niche. Yeah, because I have one already with that statement, so I would like to modify it a bit. So click continue. Bam. So your form has been successfully saved, which means they've approved it. Create email field is checked. So depending on what you want on your landing page, you might have to take this or that or even both. So let's check what I have on my landing page first. My landing page, when you click this will pop up. I have only email. Okay, all right. So in my case, I would like to go with just the email. The more things you ask from your customers, the less interest they get to opt in. Okay, so scroll down, save changes. So I'm done with this. Next, I'll create the email sequence. Go to top left, the menu bar. That's the 3 lines. Click on it. Click on campaigns and click on email sequence. And top right, click on create new. So you need to name your campaign. Alright, so I'll call it profitable online business sequence. I'll choose a list. Click on the arrow down on the list. This is the list, okay? I'm gonna let go of this. It's just for you to know how to create an email list, okay? Before you create your email sequence. I'm gonna use my old email list. The reason why I wanna do that, I have 12 subscribers inside that list already. So I'll keep on with it, okay? But in your case, try and use a new one. Alright, so I'll go ahead and click this. Then segment, don't worry about segment. And this is like advanced stuff. So send to future subscribers only, or send to current and future subscribers. Alright, so in my case, because I have subscribers in here already, I have to choose send to current and future subscribers, meaning these guys, they will start receiving my email sequence, and those who will subscribe moving forward from today going. So now you know both ways. You know when you have a list already and when you don't have. So click save and edit sequence. So by default, this is my first email. The product that I'm trying to promote, it has an email swipe already, so I'm gonna use that. So it's good. Most of the time when you're checking your stuff, let's say ClickBank and DD24, make sure your product has email swipes. It just helps you, okay? So go. Alright, so I'll embed the affiliate link, scroll down all the way through, drop it, then click on the save. Alright, so I can highlight and give it a color. Alright, which is good. And I'll do it here again, but normally it's good to do just one. Okay, click on link, Control V to paste, and click on here. So when everything is done, just scroll down, and click done. Next, there are two things you need to do: the timing and the play. So I'll work on the timing. Alright, so after subscribe, autoresponder time value 0, which means right away, and autoresponder time unit, I will say minutes, which means, and I'll click save changes. Final thing you need to do is to hit play to activate. Alright, so now it's activated. Scroll down and click done. Alright, always don't forget. Okay, now I'm gonna add the second one because this is the first email. So next, add a new one. Second, let me just highlight this and delete it. And click paste. Highlight everything. Delete. Highlight the message. Right click. Alright, just to make it regular text. So highlight everything. Click on link and go back, copy, back, right click, paste, and save. Alright, and like I said, I like to change the color just to attract the prospect. Okay, yeah, and highlight this one as well. Click here, Control V, save, and I can highlight, click on font color, and I'll change it to this, right? And when I'm done, scroll down, click done. Alright, so next I'm gonna work on the time. Okay, so A1, then click save, and the next thing, don't forget this, okay? Activate. Then scroll down again, save. So let's add another one. So this will be third email, and I'll go back. This is the subject. So let me click on it, highlight everything, delete, click the message, repeat to copy, go back, and highlight everything, click here, go back there, copy, go back, copy, and alright, and highlight it, orange, good. Alright, so scroll down and click done. Alright, so now we're gonna work on the timing. The one we just did going down, after the second one it goes into the middle. You know why? Because we haven't set up the day yet. I'll do the 3 other every other day. I don't like doing it the next day it become boring. Okay? But it's up to you. Then click save changes, and the last but not least, you hit play, which is activate. Alright, then you scroll down one more time and you click I'm done. But in your case, you will have to go back and connect it to your landing page. So in my case, it's connected to this already. But with you, let's say for instance, I'll use this one. So I'll open this. So I'm just using this as an example. If you don't have the email here, click here, email marketing form. Alright, so you click on this, you click one of these, drag it and drop it here. And the next thing you do, you click on it, then you click on set email list. Then you're gonna have to choose the list. In my case, this is the list. So if I'm supposed to be, so I'll click on it, then I'll click save. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that because this is another email list. And the last thing you have to do, click here, and you're just gonna drop your affiliate link, a thank you page or a confirm page. After confirmation, in our case, it's also automatically confirmed. So we're gonna drop the affiliate link here again, okay, or wherever you want them to go, okay. Then action, there's nothing to worry about. All right, you click on save. Please don't forget what I'm about to show you. You come back here and you click republish. So in my case, I have to see site successfully republished. Alright, boom. Then you give yourself about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, then you start promoting your link. So I'll go back to the right page. This is the right page, republish inside this page, okay? Because this is the page I connected the email list and the sequence to, okay? So make sure you open it and you click republish, alright? Then everything should be ready. And what you're gonna do is click this app sign, go to website, then highlight, copy your link, everything, and start promoting it because everything is embedded. In my case, it's linked to this. So if somebody click on this, see, it's gonna prompt them to send email. So as soon as they drop your email and they click get started, they'll go to the offer page, and at the same time, they'll get the email sequence right there. So if they didn't even buy, the email sequence will remind them. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Until next time, take care and bye bye.